Hi and welcome to the Coffee Direct Kitchen. I'm Sammy and today I'm going to show you how to make a tiramisu coffee from the comfort of your own home. It's a really simple, straightforward recipe to make and you need minimal equipment and minimal ingredients. Today we're going to be using the Coffee Direct Golden Crema blend. This coffee is a medium to high strength with a full body and full aroma. It's an espresso roast suitable for all brewing methods and it has 5-star reviews on our website. So to run you through the other ingredients we have prepared today, we have 125 ml of pre-boiled water. We also have half a cup of milk. You can use any milk of your choosing, coconut milk, soya milk. We've gone for regular milk. You'll need an empty mug or heat-proof glass. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. We're using the Golden Crema blend as mentioned. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of chocolate sauce, 1 tablespoon of amaretto or amaretto syrup. As an optional extras, you can also use cocoa powder, whipped cream for the topping, and also some biscuits of your choice just to make it that extra bit special. So to start with, we're going to empty our coffee grounds into the cafetiere. As it's just me today on my own, I'm only making this for 1 person, but just double the quantities if there's 2 of you, and so on. Now I'm going to add my 125 ml of boiling water. And I'm going to replace the lid and leave that to brew for about 3 to 4 minutes. The coffee should be nicely brewed now with a full aroma. Next step is to push the plunger down. And then you're going to want to pour it into your mug or heat-proof glass slowly until the cup's about half full. Okay. So next up, you're going to want to add your 1 tablespoon of amaretto or amaretto syrup. And then you need to add your chocolate sauce. If you've got a sweet tooth, you can always add in another tablespoon of chocolate sauce if you'd like to. I think mine might be slightly more generous than 1 tablespoon as it is. And then you're going to want to give it a really good mix. Okay, that's stirred thoroughly. You need to add in your choice of milk until the coffee mixture comes to just below the surface. And then give it another stir. If you want to add any extra sweetener, you can do so at this point, but the chocolate sauce should be enough to tip it over the edge, particularly with the amaretto syrup in there as well. So at this point, you can choose how you customize your drink. I'm going to add some whipped cream topping. Again, you can get creative with how you choose to do this, come up with different toppings. We'd love to see your ideas and your recipes, so feel free to tag us on social media or send us your photographs. And then I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of cocoa powder on the top. And then you can either serve with a biscuit or add a biscuit in the top. Okay, so that's your finished tiramisu coffee. It's a sweet treat for a cozy evening in. I really hope you've enjoyed the video today. Give it a go. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching and joining me today, and I hope you come back to the Coffee Direct Kitchen soon.